When I resigned, I really didn't think there's so many opportunities online, and I got to learn that I really do not need to leave this house in order for me to make money online. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the family. Please remember, it doesn't matter where you're from, who you are, what you do, you too can make money online. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick list of 10 income streams that you can do 2024. And then this is something that I'm also planning to do. With that list, if I'm able to implement, then I'll be able to write a book for 2024 and maybe 2025. That book will be published. So without wasting time, let's just go to my laptop so I can share all the income streams that I'm planning to do 2024. And guys, do remember, I know I cannot be jack of all trades and master of none. And it is not easy to focus on multiple things because you'll end up focusing on others and then the others will lack. So what I'm planning to do is some of these tasks or these projects or the jobs that I'm planning to do, it is something that you need to set up once and then after it will run on its own. So let's just go to the first list. The first list, obviously, it is YouTube, because now I'm recording a video. This is something that I am actually focusing on. Actually, if I can say, this is number 2 on my priority. So the list is not going to go in an ascending order or maybe priority or the most money you can make. I'm just going to give the list randomly. So the first one is YouTube, and the reason is already I am recording videos and anyone can start YouTube because all you need to do is just the phone and editor. Guys, I can tell you that I mostly record using my phone and I can edit these videos using a free app called VN. So all I do, I just record the video just like I'm doing now, and then I will import that video into my VN, and that VN comes with your items like your YouTube subscribe, like your like. So I can add those things using this app. It even comes with your filters, it even comes with your sound effects. So I can do way more than I'm doing using this app. So with YouTube, without a doubt, it is something that I'm going to grow. And also I've been accepted into a training, YouTube training, where I'll be learning more about YouTube Shorts, which is starting I think on the 11th of December until somewhere February, and then YouTube will actually even give us a certificate of completion when we are done with that. So this is something that is also going to benefit my YouTube channel, because shorts are the it things, like the reels as well. It's something that we need to know. So that's the first thing that I am going to do. So the second one, actually it's not even the second one, I can combine it with the first one. I am going to start a YouTube automation. So this is a faceless YouTube channel where I don't need to do much. All I need to do is to get the videos, get someone who will upload, and then schedule those videos and wait for the YouTube algorithm to pick up my videos, and then it will grow from there. There's so many people who are doing well using faceless YouTube channel and they are making serious money. I've been watching so many testimonies of people who are doing this and are earning money. You just need the right people, and there's already people who can assist with that on Fiverr, on Upwork, and you can get inspiration as well on YouTube on its own. So anything that you want to learn, it is already on YouTube. You really do not need to pay. So I am going to pay because I do not want to focus on this, but then I am going to use my money and let my money do the work for me with the machine that it will grow, and then I'll get my money back and continue getting more profit from my faceless YouTube channel. So I can combine my YouTube channel and also my faceless YouTube channel. And guys, don't forget my Christian YouTube channel, which you guys can subscribe if you do want to get more content when it comes to spiritual matters. The second one is selling low content books. So I already started with the cover. This is going to be focused on kids. So what I want to do is to create a journal or a planner where kids can have something starting from 2024 that belongs to them, where they can actually get their thoughts down, they can plan their day, just get the kids to be motivated, and also have some positive message that they will get each and every day, because the world is already speaking to our kids. We might as well, us as parents, create something that will speak to them every day with a message, with a cartoon character, like maybe Superwoman for girls and then Superman for boys in different pages. Like I'll get these superheroes who would actually speak to them because they can relate to those characters. And then I'll also have Bible scriptures for them, have a calendar, have a daily planner, have like something that they can write their thoughts, positive thoughts, get them to sign a commitment letter saying this year 2024 I am going to love myself and I am going to do well, I am going to think positive, because there's so many things that are happening with our kids. So a low content book is something that I'm also going to create now, but then when I launch it next year, it is something that will sell and I do not need to do anything when it comes to that. So that's the second thing that I'm going to do. So the third one is the Facebook shop, and then I am going to include this with a Yaga shop. A Yaga shop, it is an online platform that is only available in South Africa. So my mission with that is getting the things that are already in the house that we are not using. Our garage is full, our wardrobes are full, so many things that we are not using. So my mission with that is I am going to take pictures of these things, start selling on Facebook marketing, sell as well on my Yaga shop. So this includes clothes that I'm not wearing. I mean, I used to be in corporate, so I had these suits that I am not working, so I can use those suits and make money, the money that I can then use to buy clothes that I am comfortable with and things that I need, or maybe even equipments for my YouTube channel or any other project that I want to do. So this is something that you can do continuously, because you can even go to thrift shops and get good things that you can also sell. Or every time I do my morning walk, I usually see garages where there's just full of stuff like the fridges, shoes, different things that people are keeping in their garages but they are not selling. So if I want, I can even get and approach those people and say, I can sell you this fridge, but then in return I'll get 10% or 20%. So this is something that we can also do. Just take a picture, make sure that the delivery, it is a place safe, or if someone were to come and pick up the item, make sure it is not in your house. Meet at a central place where you are actually safe, and the person must pay first. So a Yaga shop as well, they do take, I think, 6%, which is something as well, which is not bad. I can also get my stuff there. We also have Take A Lot in South Africa. I can also use that to get my low content book and sell it there. The fourth one is my book. I already have a book that I've written previously, and the book Reselling. I decided to stop selling the book and go back to the drawing board where I will just rewrite the book, fix the parts where I feel like I now have more knowledge when it comes to that topic. So my life before knowing God, it wasn't a life that was glorifying to God. So I've written a book about that, and this is the book that I've been selling, I think, for more than 5 or 6 years. And I am making money from that. So my mission with that is to go away for a weekend, rewrite the book, and then get to a place where I am confident the scriptures and my gospel knowledge, it is clear. And then I will start selling that book again. So that's my fourth one. Fifth one, this is something that I'm planning to do with my daughters, and I am still convincing them. If you are subscribed on my other channel, you would know that I've started doing a course. It's not actually a course, like a training, a sewing training, where I'm learning how to make headbands, I'm learning how to make scrunchies, I'm learning how to make bonnets, even t-shirts, but t-shirts I won't be focusing on that because it is quite not complicated, but then it will take more time. So just to create a scrunch, it takes me 5 minutes, or a headband, it takes me 5 minutes. So I can create as many as I can. When kids go back to school, I want to sell in bulk. Like parents can buy maybe 5 scrunchies and 5 headbands. So this is something that I will get my daughters to make, and then I'll focus on selling, and then we can deliver to whoever wants to buy. So that's something else that anyone who feel they're passionate about that, they can do. If I can go and do the sewing class, guys, you too can do it. And anyway, I'll be teaching people how to sew scrunchies, headbands on my online course. The fourth one, which is I think number 1 priority on this list, it is Live Good. So Live Good, it is a company that is legit, that is here on a long term. So I've decided I'm not going to join your ROI investments, and I'm focusing on Live Good and also AVBOB, which is my next one. Live Good and AVBOB, those are the 2 ones which are legit, guys. So what's the point of joining something that will disappear with our money? So I'd rather stick with this one and put effort and promote it. So with Live Good, I do not need to do anything as well, because I already joined. I am paying my monthly membership fees. All I need to do is daily post on social media different testimonies, what the products can do. And then I did notice that even though I wasn't focusing on selling products, I can actually sell the products to people who are in America or people who are in Canada, those who can get the products the fastest. So this is something else that I think it's brilliant and everyone should be part of Live Good. Because when I joined Live Good early February, I didn't think that I'll be making passive income that is more than $200 every month without doing anything. So I want to focus as well and get people to join, because each and every person that joins, I actually make $25. So that is crazy, guys. Like, I had someone joining a week before, and this week as well, someone did join as well. So can you see that all these $25, I'm used to 10% profit, but 50% profit, guys, it is good, guys. So Live Good, it is number one on my list. And then with AVBOB, it is only a South African one. I am earning from it. So it is basically like a funeral cover, sort of. And there's other companies that have joined recently, like your tombstones, we can sell. So my main mission with this one is just posting on social media, making sure that daily I post something, I create something on Canva to make sure that I post. So as people join, as people buy these funeral covers or buy the tombstones, I am going to make money on AVBOB. So that's another one. The next one, it is an online course. So online courses, I'm planning to put that on Skillshare, YouTube, Udemy. So the same course that I'll create, which I'll create before the end of December, that course, it is a course basically that is going to teach you everything that I am mentioning now, all these 10 income streams, how to start, how to brand, everything that you need to know. So when I say I'm going to create an online course, I am going to show you how I am creating it. So with that online course, it's something that I create once as well before next year. I put it on Skillshare, Udemy, and also on YouTube. So guys, this is a win-win. Create once, but then I will get to sell this course over and over again for the years to come. I'm starting to get brand deals, just like what Metaforce did, taking me to Dubai. But then right now, I got another one where they want me to create videos, and continuously going forward, they want to work with me. So this is something as well that I am doing, and I am earning money from that. There's a platform that combines different systems like your Metaverse, online gaming, crypto staking. So that company already, I am going to work with them. I already have sort of like an online contract with them. I'm just waiting for them to make a payment, and the payment is good, guys. So that's another one that I am going to focus on as and when I get the job. The last one, which I'm going to implement between January and March, I want to be a social media manager and have like an online agency. So there is this girl who's actually teaching a course on how to be that, but then on an international scale. So a lot of companies are starting to use social media, and some of them, they do not know how to use. So I will onboard these people and hire someone who will actually market, who will actually post, who will actually create this social media presence, promote their product. So I am planning to start that. But that one, I don't want to put focus on it this year. This is something that I'm going to do between January and March, because I still need to do that 2 weeks course. It is an intense course, but then most people who are doing that course, they're actually starting to get international companies who are using them. So those are the 10 things that I want to do next year. So it is possible to do 10 income streams, and I hope you will be doing that with me. And remember, next year, January, first day of the year, I am going to launch my course teaching you exactly how to do these things. So guys, it is possible to make money online while you're at home. You do not need to leave home, guys. Even if you join an affiliate, you can just do Zoom presentations and do all of that. Guys, I'm not even doing that, but I am making money. So this is something that we can do, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, guys. It is important for you guys to like the video, comment, and also watch. Even if you're not watching, just let it play and do whatever you want to do. Thank you so much for watching.